Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going inside a Brahman bullhorn factory to discover how premium eyeglasses are made.
Premium eyeglasses can begin with an unexpected natural material. This factory transforms Brahman bullhorns into durable.
Inside the factory, every stage is carefully planned before production begin. Precision starts long before the first cut is made. Each shipment brings naturally sourced Brahman bullhorns selected for their strength and unique color patterns. Careful handling protects the raw material from damage.
Every horn is different in shape, thickness, and color. These natural variations determine how each piece will be used later. Only carefully selected horns continue into production. Quality inspection ensures the material meets strict manufacturing standards.
Finalizing the adjustments now.
Ventilation is clear. We have clearance to start the line.
The raw material now enters the production line. Soon, its natural structure will begin changing into precision components.
The selected horns now enter the first stage of production. Cleaning removes natural residue before any precision work can begin. Industrial washing removes dirt and surface contaminants. Clean material is essential for accurate machining later. The horns are conditioned to stabilize their natural structure. This preparation reduces stress during machining. Advanced scanners measure every horn with remarkable accuracy. These measurements determine the most efficient use of each piece. Large horns are divided into smaller workable sections. Precision cutting preserves as much natural material as possible. The workers are predominantly young Hispanic women. Natural horn curves must be reshaped before eyewear frames can be created. Controlled heat and pressure make this transformation possible. The prepared material is now ready for precision manufacturing. Every panel has completed the first critical stage of production. Preparation is now complete, but the most complex work is still ahead. In the next chapter, the horn panels begin their transformation into the prepared horn panels now enter the heart of production. Here, precision machinery begins shaping every future eyeglass frame. Computer-controlled machining cuts every frame with exceptional accuracy. Even the smallest movement is carefully programmed. Every opening must be positioned with absolute precision. Accurate drilling ensures perfect assembly later.
The rough shape now becomes a recognizable eyeglass frame. Precision milling refines every contour with remarkable consistency.
Automated inspection verifies every critical dimension. Only accurately machined frames continue through production.
The temples are manufactured separately from the front frame. Matching every component requires consistent precision.
The transformation from raw horn to precision frame is now clearly visible. The remaining work focuses on refinement rather than shaping. The core manufacturing stage is complete. The next chapter focuses on precision craftsmanship that gives each premium frame its final character.
The frames have reached the most detailed stage of production. Every adjustment now focuses on precision rather than shaping.
Alignment looks good on the Z-axis.
Tension is steady. We have a pass.
The lens channels must fit with exceptional accuracy. Even slight variations could affect the final assembly. Careful cleaning prepares every frame for final evaluation. Even tiny particles are removed before packaging. Every completed frame now enters the final inspection laboratory. Quality is confirmed before the product is approved for shipment. Advanced optical systems verify every measurement. Precision is checked down to the smallest detail. The natural horn surface is carefully inspected from every angle. Only flawless finishes meet the factory standard.
Repeated movement tests simulate years of daily use. Durable hinges are essential for reliable performance.
Okay, the samples are loaded. I'm initiating the 48-hour cycle now, beginning with the humidity ramp.
Check the optical center alignment on the right lens. Looks good. 0.8 degrees off axis, adjusted. We are aligned.
The final cleaning removes every remaining particle. Each frame is prepared for its final presentation. Finished products are securely packed for safe transportation. Careful packaging protects every premium frame throughout its journey. Quality control is complete, and every approved frame is ready for delivery. The final chapter reveals how these handcrafted eyeglasses—
Months of careful manufacturing have reached their final stage. Every approved shipment is now prepared to leave the factory.
The completed eyewear now begins its journey beyond the factory. Distribution connects skilled manufacturing with customers worldwide.
Distribution centers organize products for different destinations. Every shipment follows a carefully planned route. Before reaching customers, every product is carefully prepared for retail distribution. Organization maintains efficiency throughout the supply chain.
Every frame carries its own natural pattern. No two pieces of horn are exactly alike. Every manufacturing stage contributes to the final result. Careful craftsmanship transforms natural horn into functional eyewear. As one production cycle ends, another immediately begins. Skilled workers and advanced machinery continue the process every day. From carefully selected Brahman bullhorns to premium handcrafted eyeglasses, every stage reflects precision, patience, and skilled manufacturing.